Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the Mitre Saw EINHELL TCMS 2112. I need to reveal the bridge that I had to go to the balcony, so I bought this tool to help me with the cuttings and everything to go faster. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Let's take a look first to the box. So here you can see all the instructions. Here you can stop the video and take a closer look. So let's see what came in the box. I bought this saw on Amazon. It cost me around 70 euros, something like that. Not super expensive, one of the most cheapest. Okay, let's extract the things. What do we have here? The bag for the dust, some tools, instructions, manual, warranty, and the axe, and nothing else. It's empty. Okay, before starting to use the machine we have to do two things. The first one is to place these supports. Okay, let's insert one support here through these holes. They will not enter up to the end until we unscrew the one that is here. This one, not this one. This is the one we have to unscrew a little bit. Now we can insert completely the support, and now we have to tighten back the screw there, and we have to repeat the same process on the other side. For this side we have to first remove this part here. Okay, we unscrew this and remove this part, because otherwise we will not able to reach the screw that is in the interior. And now yes, we can do the same process that before. And now the last step, to install the dust pack here. Press like this and insert in here. Okay, to start to use the machine, the first thing we have to do is to unlock the safety, and when we have unlocked the safety we press the trigger that is here, and after we have to pull down firmly and strongly. If you don't apply force down, it will not start to go down. You need to apply some force before the machine starts to go down. And if the safety is set, you cannot go down. You need to release the safety first. It's super sunny. I'm going to go to work off-site. Oh no, it's raining. Let's move the machine to a safer place. Okay, we are going to prepare the first piece to cut. I have a pole of 60 times 60 millimeters. In theory, this one is more taller than what the machine can deal with, because in the spec says maximum height 55 millimeters and this is 60. But let's try, because looks like the blade is 80 millimeters long, more or less. So I think we'll be able to handle it. Okay, let's secure the pole. This is quite noisy, so I'm wearing ear protections and glasses. This time I'm going to make the mark with a pencil. Was too thick, that one. You can see that the dust bag is completely useless. All the sawdust is going everywhere except in the bag. If you can appreciate, the cut is parallel to the line, and if I put it there, doesn't balance to any place, so it's well calibrated. I'm surprised of this machine. Is cutting fast. It only costs 7 euros and makes the work that much easier. It is with the linear saw. It's a lot of work to cut one of these pieces, and like this is like super fast, and you can even do pieces like this. I'm super happy with the results I got. I'm going to build the bridge. I will record some cuttings or special cuttings I've been doing, and then I will review the machine after finishing the project to see really how it works. I'm super happy to have bought this machine. Yeah, before I forget, one of the cool things that you can do is to move this stuff here and screw in here to the other side. You can put it and place it there. The machine steps on this. This is a design failure or what? How come this could happen? Oh my god. I don't understand anything here. If I want to hold my piece from this side, I cannot, because the motor steps into the adjustment. What the? We can adjust the cutting angle on the horizontal and the vertical axis. Let's try first the vertical axis. We are going to set it up to 45 degrees. And here we have another problem of this machine, is that you need to remove the support to be able to cut at 45 degrees. You have to place it on the other place. Strange. The support again, you have to move it and place it there. You can block the machine at any angle you want, okay? In this case, I'm going to cut at 45 degrees. Looks like the maximum height you are going to be able to cut at 45 degrees is around 7 centimeters. The machine rotates at 5,000 rotations per minute. I try to record at 900 frames per second, but it's not enough to see the blades working. I made a line on this piece of wood and I want to make sure that I'm cutting on the line. So first I try to make a small mark on the wood, then I move a little bit the wood to adjust the position. I make another mark, and when I see that the saw is cutting where I want, I do the final cut. The cut is perfectly straight through the line I made before with the 40 degrees tool. Okay, the two pieces fit super good, not bad for my first cut. One more thing we can adjust is the horizontal angle. To move the horizontal axis, we just need to unscrew this screw here, and now we can move around the machine and set it in the right position. And when we finish, this is the angle indicator. We use the screw to fix the position. Unlock the angle and select the cutting angle we want to do. We are going to do 45 degrees angle. Let's see if this is possible. Yeah, let's try. Well, I was not able to cut this piece completely. We got up to 7 centimeters. Interesting cut. Here we have the blockage for transportation. To set the blockage for transportation, to transport the machine, what we need to do is to press the lever here, the security lever, press down the machine and insert the blockage that we have here. And now we can transport the machine by holding from here. One important thing to clarify is that this machine only allows to do complete cut. If you want to do things like this, okay, this is not the machine you need, because this one will only allow you to do perfect complete cut. Yeah, finally I finished the bridge. Now we can use the bridge to access the balcony. Certainly the mitre saw has helped to build the bridge faster and to make the cuts more perfect and straight. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.